At Europlacer, our drive for flexibility and productivity extends to the development of customized feeder solutions for all component packaging. In this video, we present 3 advanced feeder solutions for special components. The label feeder is a versatile solution for placing pre-printed labels and enhancing traceability. It supports both 1D barcodes and 2D labels, including QR codes and Datamatrix for accurate tracking. Located either on the trolley or on the base plate, this system can handle labels up to 55 mm by 55 mm. It also integrates barcode scanning and recording all the necessary information for full traceability. Europlacer's solder ball feeder is an affordable solution providing an efficient way to assemble solder balls during the conventional placement process. It manages solder balls in standard sizes of 0.6, 0.8, and 1 mm, with custom sizes available on request. In the same way as the label feeder, the ball feeder can be installed on the trolley or on the base plate. For further gains in productivity, Europlacer can provide custom-designed nozzles to suit your requirements and allow for multiple pickups, increasing the throughput of your assembly process. Europlacer's Flux Feeder ensures precise flux application with every use. It integrates seamlessly into your pick-and-place machine, just like any other feeder. This rotary fluxer system can be easily set up to apply the appropriate amount of flux for each application. It comes with 2 fluid thickness options. It is designed to adapt to the various process requirements and guarantee precise, reliable soldering every time. Flux deposit management is a crucial factor, especially in certain processes like package-on-package assembly. From standard features to tailor-made systems, our expertise ensures you have the right tools to optimize your SMT production. Europlacer's innovative feeder solutions enable you to meet the challenges of modern SMT production. For anything beyond standard solutions, the Europlacer team is ready to design feeders for your specific components. Stay at the forefront of technology with our ongoing investment in innovation and precision at every stage of the manufacturing process.